Subscribe to PyPro Tricks for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. Today we are going to change the ith bit. It means change the ith bit to 0 or 1. The input will be provided by the user. So let us consider the number 13 here. Its binary representation is 1101 and the bit positions are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Let us say we want to change the 1th bit to 1. So the procedure for this is we will be needing two masks, mask 1 and mask 2. The mask 1 will contain 1 at all of the places and 0 at the ith position. And the mask 2 will contain 0 at all other places and the value at the ith position. Okay, the value can be 0 or 1. It will be provided by the user. And after that we are going to perform two operations. One is and one is or. And will be performed between x and mask 1. Or will be performed between mask 2 and the result of this. Okay, so let us do it. So the mask 1 is this, and we are going to perform an AND operator with x. X is this, so perform with mask 1. It came this only. We will be taking another example also and do an AND operations. It will give us 1011, and now we are going to perform the OR operation with the mask with this result. So mask 2 we write here. Mask 2 is 00 and the value we want to set is 1. So we would putting the value here and then 0. Now we are going to perform an OR operation with this, or it will give us 1111. So we have successfully set the ith bit, that is 1th bit, to 1. The result will be 15. Let us quickly write the code. We will be taking another example after writing the code. Change ith bit, the number, the ith position and the value which we want to set, whether it is 0 or 1. So first of all, create the mask 1, which will be creating by moving the 1 by ith places and doing an NOT of mask 1. So how we get this? So how we get this mask 1? First of all, we will be left shift 1 by ith places, which will give us, as here we have only 1, so 1 0 will be added after 1, and we also have zeros in all other places also before this 1. Now if we are doing NOT of it, we will be getting 1 1 1 0 1. So now we got the mask 1. Now we have to perform the AND operator between the num and the mask 1. Now we have reached with this result. Now the final is just make the result as result and the OR with mask 2. But first we have to create the mask 2 here. For creating the mask 2, we just have to left shift 1 by I number of places. As here you can see, we only need that value. So we are not going to use 1 here. We will be using value here because it can be 0 or 1, right? And that value will be placed at the ith place. All others will be 0. As in this case, before doing the NOT operation with mask 1. Now we just have to return the result. Let us quickly check it. Print change ith bit. Take the number 13. Ith position is 1 and change is to 1. And you can see that we have 15 as the answer. Now let us say if we want to change the second bit to 0. The answer is 9. Let's see how to get this answer. So here we have the number 13 stored as 1101. Let's create the mask 1. We want to change this 2th bit. Okay, so left shift 1 by 2 number of places, we will be getting 100, and all zeros we have before it also. And now we are just going to take a knot of mask 1, which will be equal to 1011, right? This, and this, and there are lot of ones also before this one. Okay, now we are going to do the AND operation between x and mask 1, which will be, we have this x here, the number 1101, and the mask 1 1101, and we are going to do an AND operation between these. It will be 1 0 0 and 1. So this is our intermediate result, RES. Now let us create mask 2 here, which will be, what is the value which we want to set? The value which we want to set is 0 at the second position. So we want to shift the value by I number of places. So we want to shift 0 by 2 number of places. So 2 zeros will be added before this 0. Okay, so we have 3 zeros here, lot of zeros are here also in the back side. Now we just have to take the OR of result and the mask 2, which will be, result is 1001 from here, and mask 2 here, it will be 0 0 0 0, and if we take the OR operation of these, OR, then we have 1 0 0 1, which is equal to 9. Great, so we got it. So please subscribe to PyProtricks and Bootstrap Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.